So we're back with another one of these construction side-by-sides. Forgive the eye, a little bit of a dog scratch. Hurts, but the show must be go. That's the name of a royalty-free song, which I won't play. I'm Brian. Welcome to my Tesla Weekend. Now, as you guys know, this is the sort of thing that we do, where I record it and I send it over to Lars at Beston Tesla to see how awesome his show is and make it even more awesome. But this one's a slightly longer version, which we roll here, because you guys are awesome too. So here we go. Hey Lars, well, in Shanghai, it's pretty quiet, because as you can see, the footprint of the site is mostly filled out and mostly everything is built. The only real news going on over there is that the little bridge that they're building on the southwest side across the water canal there, it's underway, finally, after a very long time waiting. In Berlin, well, it's exciting. The Stamping Cathedral is getting a big extension. You can see a lot more foundation and footing work going on. It's going to be twice the size of what it was and twice as awesome. In the southwest, there's a lot of parking rework over in a bunch of different places. Because if there's one thing Tesla loves to do, it's tear up pavement and put in new pavement. The road widening at the south of the site is moving along, if a bit slowly. There's a shuttle train coming for employees. They're working on putting in the line for it now. The retaining wall on the southeast part, coming along nice. This will fill out as the road widens. There's also a new water tank here over by the retention ponds. Pretty interesting. And the big news is the massive clearing to the north of the site. Yeah, they cleared out a lot of trees in anticipation of the construction of the next phase of Giga Berlin. In Texas, boy, do we have a lot to cover. There's rework at the north end on the walkways. Again, always with the rework. There's rework of the concrete apron on the east side, both here and a little further down here. There's new material going in the Stamping Cathedral. A lot of equipment. This will be in support of more Model Y lines and probably also some of the Cybertruck components, although that doesn't use much in terms of stamped material. The south parking lot is almost completely torn up. We believe a building is going to go in here, and I've been asked what that will be, and the answer is additional capacity. The west entrance has been torn up and reworked quite a bit, and it will be reworked some more. The HVAC over the battery area is clearly operational. These cooling towers, chilling towers, yeah, they're steamy. That means they're working. The warehouse on wheels has been reconfigured a bit, and the cathode building has been mostly closed off. That suggests an imminent begin to some form of production on the inside, since we've seen so much of the interior work already get underway. That building is expanding a little bit to the west. That's kind of nice. And they're putting in an additional building next to it. Not sure for what. Might just be a receiving building where the materials are held until they go in the front door so the parts can come out the back door. The switchyard is moving along nicely. It's expanding quite a bit. It's not really moving slow. It may look like it's moving slow, but it isn't. That's a pretty good pace. And the rooftop solar, inching along as always, but it's a very, very big area to cover. So what are you going to do? So that's it. Back to you, Lars. Yeah, that's how we do it. That's how we do it. So if you haven't checked out Best in Tesla, what are you doing, man? It's a great channel. I enjoy it. Lars is a cool guy. I met him once in person over the time we spent together at Fully Charged in San Diego. So, yeah, show him some love. All right, what did I miss? What did I misunderstand? Leave me all your thoughts, your wisdom, all that good stuff into them comments below, and stay tuned and juicy and all that. And if you're still here, you know, like, subscribe, leave a comment, give it a thumbs up. Who knows, man? All that stuff helps, and I appreciate it. Huge thanks, as always, to my patrons who get early access, bonus content, all that good stuff. Appreciate you guys. Cannot do it without you. And normally I would put this off a little longer because of the scratched eye, but I'm hoping to drive out in about 36 hours to head down to Reno, which I will have already done when you see this, I bet. So there you go.